Welcome to an amazing factory where everyday products come to life. Everything starts with carefully selected raw materials. Advanced machines sort and prepare each component with precision. Robots handle the heavy work with speed and accuracy.
The raw materials are shaped into perfect forms.
High temperatures transform materials into usable shapes. Cooling systems ensure strength and durability. Each part moves smoothly through the assembly line. Tiny details are assembled with robotic precision.
Skilled workers check every step for quality.
Efficiency keeps production fast and consistent. Finishing touches give the product its final look.
Smart technology tests each product for perfection.
Only the best products move forward.
The brand mark is added as a sign of trust.
Automated packaging keeps products safe and clean. Labels provide important information for customers. Finished products are stored, ready for shipment. From factory to the world, the journey begins. This is how amazing factory products are made.